Welcome to Buying Insider. In this video, we'll present you with a short buying guide together with a list of the best running shoes in 2021. On the market, up to date, just to make your buying decision easier. Running shoes can have a huge impact on how comfortable you feel while running. Whether you're jogging around your local track, trail running through a forest, or competing in a marathon, running shoes may look like other sneakers, but they contain specialized technology to help you run. Here are a few tips that may help you when searching for the perfect running shoes. Feet tend to swell while you run and throughout the day, so trying on your shoes in the afternoon or evening may provide a more accurate fit. The shoe should wrap comfortably around your foot, and it should not pinch or feel sloppy, and your foot should be centered on the platform of the shoe. Some shoes may better accommodate a narrow or wide foot, and some are even available in either wider or narrow size options. Standard shoe widths are D for men and B for women. You may think you know your size, but it's best to get your feet measured each time you buy new shoes. Your feet change over time, and one model's fit can be drastically different from another's. Whether you are looking for the best of the best or the most affordable, you're going to find it here on this list. So if you want to know which one's going to work best for you, stay tuned. If you want to see more details and the newest prices on the products mentioned in this list, check the links in the description below. Now, let's start with the first product. First on the list, as best running shoes for everyday use, we present you Brooks Ghost. The Ghost is one of the flagship shoes in the Brooks line and one of the best-selling shoes in the US. It's a cushy, smooth-riding, neutral running shoe that serves up a comfortable fit, soft feel, and reliable performance. Its strength is the plush upper, which has been updated with air mesh for an even more breathable and cooler ride. Your everyday training shoes have to be comfortable because you'll be wearing them for the majority of your miles. Designers draped the Ghost 13 in an engineered mesh upper. The one-piece mesh wraps around the entire shoe seamlessly, which helps to mitigate any hot spots or irritation that might develop. The mesh, which Brooks calls air mesh, is smooth and pliable with some printed overlays throughout the midfoot, and it has a touch of stretch to help accommodate different foot shapes. DNA Loft foam now extends the entire length of the lateral side of the midsole. The proprietary foam composition is a mix of EVA foam, rubber, and air, and it's among Brooks' softest cushioning. But the Ghost 13 still maintains the same ride character that Ghost fans know and love. If this is your first time visiting our channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive notifications for our next videos. As best lightweight running shoes, we recommend the New Balance Fresh Foam. New Balance continues to innovate today, and there are multiple technologies to look for in the company's lineup of shoes. Like other shoemakers, New Balance has entered the foam wars by engineering its own proprietary foam, Fresh Foam, that's used in the sole of many of its top-selling running shoes. This lighter, ultra-bouncy foam adds superior cushioning without tacking on weight. Not only does this shoe offer a supportive cushion, but the toe box is also soft and spacious, another bonus for endurance athletes and all runners. Distance tends to make feet flatten out, and friction areas are magnified the longer you run. This fresh foam upper is well thought out to keep you comfortable and blister-free. Made of soft, breathable mesh, New Balance added a partial midfoot booty to lock the foot down. Molded pods line the sides and heel to keep the foot from sliding. Tongue wings work through the midfoot to help keep the tongue from working its way left or right. Premium quality all around. The New Balance Fresh Foam More is a maximal trainer that still has some pep in its step, cushion for the long run, but an aggressive design that will let you push the pace. It's a fun ride. Next on our list as the best trail running shoes are the Topo Athletic MTN Racers. The MTN Racer has the signature Topo Athletic roomy toe box, which prevents cramped pinky toes and black toenails on long runs, and a slightly stiff upper, drainage ports, gaiter attachments, and a thin tongue, which repels dirt and pebbles from invading the inside of your shoe, complete the list of features that make the MTN Racer a trail master. The MTN Racer offers a generous 30mm stack height for added comfort and protection. We would not call these maximalist shoes, but they do approach that territory. With a 5mm drop, these are a little more traditional than Topo's typical shoes. So if you're hesitant to go zero drop, these are a great choice. The Mountain Racer carries that drop well and never feels cramped. In fact, the entire shoe really feels as natural as any zero drop or low drop shoe. After a short break-in period, the Racer offers a foot cradling fit in every regard. They lace up evenly and consistently for a comfortable fit without restricting blood flow or movement. These wide toe box trail running shoes are performance tuned for trail racing and speed hiking. We hope you like our selection of products so far, and if you want us to review other products in this category, feel free to comment below. In the category Best Value, we present you with the Nike Air Zoom Tempo. The Nike Tempo is supposed to be the replacement for the Pegasus Turbo 2 and a training companion for the Alpha Fly Next. While having a very unique and highly responsive ride, the Tempo rides much firmer than the Pegasus Turbo 2 and a little too firm for easy and marathon-paced runs. It's best suited to fast runs below 15 kilometers. Nike has achieved what is a substantial amount of bounce in 3 different ways. Number 1, 2 different types of midsole foam. Zoom React in the rear, firmer and more durable, and Zoom X up front, which is softer and more responsive. Both offer a good ratio of low weight to cushioning. Number 2, a carbon composite plate running the length of the shoe designed to be less harsh underfoot and allow runners to clock higher mileage. And number 3, AirPods under the forefeet. The Nike Air Zoom Tempo Next mixes durability with a design that helps push you towards your personal best. The result's a shoe built like a racer but made for your everyday training routine. As the best budget in today's video, we chose the Saucony Cohesion. Designed for neutral runners, the Cohesion 13 is the lowest price offering from Saucony. It also comes in a trail version, the Cohesion TR13, if you're running or walking on more off-road or challenging terrains. You'll be very impressed by the feel when putting on the shoes. The cushion is impressive, and the shoe is incredibly comfortable for standing and did very well on the all-day test. The Cohesion uses a singular level of Versafoam cushioning on the top and midsole. They use 29 millimeters of foam under the heel and 17 millimeters under the forefoot, which is a 12 millimeter drop, which provides ample cushion for most runners. This is not a pair of shoes you would want to run in without socks. However, the upper uses some nice, breathable materials that keep your feet at a comfortable temperature throughout your run. The Saucony Cohesion 13 is a great, budget-friendly running shoe that ticks all the boxes for runners who want to protect their feet and enjoy a comfortable ride for their first 5K or 10-kilometer run. So there you have it, the best 5 running shoes on the market today. If you found the one on our list that meets your needs and budget, remember to check the link in the description box and catch it at a discounted price. Thank you all for watching, and see you next time here at the Buying Insider